Hello everyone, and today we are back playing Hungry Shark, and as you can see I have got a... oh, that's cute. I have got a medium shark. I played for a little while off camera, and I'm not feeling very well, so if I sound, well, yeah, I don't really sound different, but if I sound different or I end up throwing up midway through recording, yeah. Just let you know. So today we're going to be trying to get this shark. I think that's bull shark. So yeah, we're going to be trying to get bull shark. Now I don't really like the look of these other sharks in the large section, so we'll get the cheaper one. And yeah, let's carry on. That's like £49. That little bit of a stupid price there. I think I used to have one of the sharks that were on there as well. Until I, again, accidentally deleted the game. And then I had to delete it again because it glitched. I just realised how much I've bought that up. But I guess just playing the game kind of just reminded me of that. I'll try not to bring it up as much. So yeah, we're just gonna swim around. I want to see if we can catch birds. Yeah, catch some birdies! Come here, birdies! Oh, that's fun. So yeah, we're just going to get a large shark today. All of that fun. And then who knows? Maybe next video we might get a XL shark. That would be cool. Yeah, playing the whale shark again. Oh my word. I'd love doing that. If there's any games you guys want me to post on my channel, you can tell me in the comments of any of my videos, really. I have the comments on. And, yeah, I might not be able to play them, because I don't have Xbox or PlayStation. So, I'm most likely just going to put mobile games on YouTube. Like Hungry Shark, Hungry Dragon, and I think there's like some How to Train Your Dragon games on mobile, isn't there? Maybe we could do some of those. It'd be fun. I love How to Train Your Dragon. I'm not too bothered about the new one coming out, but I'll probably go and see it anyways, because it doesn't look bad. I'll say that. It doesn't look bad. It doesn't look as good as the first film, but it doesn't look bad. I'll give it that much. I still need to read the books. That's if I ever do end. I might read the books just to see like how this started. I know they're completely different to the film, but it's still cool. They'd probably still be quite cool. I mean, I have one of them, which is kind of cool to read. I read it. Yeah, I read some of it. I haven't read all of it. Yeah, it's quite good. So far. Yeah, we'll just. Yeah, well, look at my fishies. There's not really that much to do in this game other than just go around eating things, which is just hilarious. And explore. Yeah, maybe we can try and explore a little bit. I mean, we're only a medium, so it's really limited on where we can go. And these sharks are getting annoying. I can't wait to become a large so I can eat them. Come here. Oh my goodness, these fish are lifesavers. They leveled up, that's good. Okay. I'm leaving some of them alive, like, just in case. Like, we get a gold rush. Come here. I don't think I've actually been down here before. I might, actually. Oh, I nearly bashed into that. That was close. That was close. Hey, buddy. You mind? Seriously. Alright, there's a lot of divers around here. Oh, it's the main. Yeah, it's one of the docks. Of course, there's gonna be a lot of divers. Silly me, eh? Okay. This is probably gonna be a little of a longer video than the last ones. Like I said, we'll be trying to get a large shark today. Well, depending if I run out of time or not. Hopefully I have enough time to make this video. There we go. Come here, buddy. Yep, look out! You can't really run. Though you're on a boat. Oh, oops. Oopsie daisies. Yeah, it's fine. Wait, do I have my Wi-Fi on? No, I don't. Okay, well... Oh wait, oh, that was quick. That was quick. How much money do I need? We can eat orcas now. I need a lot of money. I guess that's what I get for buying the most expensive medium shark, though. Alright, well, we'll try and... I don't think we're gonna... We'll do one more run. This video's not exactly gonna be long. We'll do one more run. I thought this video was long, but obviously not. We'll do one more run, and then I'll come off. I'll probably make another video. Maybe? Oh yeah, there is another game. Yeah, I need to make another video on a Pokemon game. So yeah, I got Pokemon Quest yesterday, and I want to make a video on that, so I'm going to be doing that. Yeah. Oh, goodness. Yeah, so yeah, I like Pokemon. I think Pokemon's cool. I mean, I'm not a big fan of the newest of Pokemon Horizon, but I still like it. It's not like the worst. I've seen worse stuff. Not necessarily from Pokemon, but other stuff. Which I'm not gonna name because I haven't watched that much of it, so I can't really... Oh, wait. Yeah, there we go. Whack that. Let's leave some of those little squids behind. Hey, don't eat all the blobfish. Okay, we need to try not to eat too much. Leave those, well, I guess they're my pet, but I guess they're not really gonna listen. Why am I telling them to leave them when they're not gonna actually listen to me, eh? Mega Gold Rush in here. Why can wait until we're outside, eh? It's fine, I'm not complaining. I like my Mega Gold Rushes. It's just, it's a bit better when we're, you know, in open ocean. Oh, come on. There is a tiger shark. Okay, well that was, we're getting a lot of gold today. There we go. Come here. Come here. Alright, well, let's try and make this round last. For you guys, I'm gonna try and make this a long round. Or long enough. Or, I guess entertaining is more like what you want. Alright, I'll try and make this entertaining. I'm not good at that. How am I? Alright, you know what? I'll just hope that something happens. I'll play the game and hope that something happens. Other than me being stupid and swimming with bigger sharks. Bump into that, bump into that, bump into that. Come here. Oh, no! Tiger shark! Don't eat the line. Oh, hello. I died. Oh well. Yeah, you don't have to hit my body like that. Oh come on, he's dancing on me. Alright, well, we didn't really get any level from that, but that's fine. It's fine, we don't need... Oh, my word. Got more coins than I thought from that. Anyways, well, I guess next video we're going to be doing the large shark. We're going to be doing bull shark next. And then we're going to be trying to get to, what's it? Oh, the Great Hammerhead. Because I don't really like this one. And this is like the most expensive one out of the lot. So Great Hammerhead's my favourite out of the lot there. And then when we go on to... Well, I mean, I already said I wanted the whale shark. I like this. His tongue's a little weird, but I like whale sharks. And then here, I don't really have much of a choice. That one could be fun. Alright, anyways. Oh, oops, wrong one. Alright, anyways, hope you guys will have a good day, and goodbye. I have got to make a Pokemon video.